Is probate that scary? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and I. So a lot of people are scared of the probate process. And that's because, frankly, a lot of attorneys want them to be afraid of going through probate so that they can sell them higher priced estate plans that regular folks like you and me don't really need. So I thought I'd spend a couple minutes just going over what is the probate process and what do you need to be afraid of? And my answer to that is not very much. Okay. So the probate process is the one that you go through when somebody in your family has passed away, and it provides a legal structure for the distribution of their assets to their heirs and legatees. Okay. A couple of fancy words for family and friends. So how does this process get started? It gets started by a family member or an interested person filing a petition in the circuit court where the decedent, the person who died, resided at the time of their death. Now, this petition is largely forms-based. You can get the forms off the court website, but there's some nuances to it and some complications or complexity in it that suggest that it might be a good idea to have an attorney help you with the process. But you get the petition together, you include a copy of the death certificate, and if there's a will, you include the original, that's an important factor, the original will, and you send that all in to the court. And the court will allow you, hopefully, to be appointed as the personal representative or executor of the estate. And at that point, you have what's called the authority to disperse those persons' assets. So the first thing you have to figure out is, what are the assets? So you have to collect all the assets, put them in one spot. So the money, the cars, the house, whatever that may be, and add that all up and pay whatever obligations the decedent still owed at the time of their passing. And then you have to file an accounting with the court that says, here's all the money that came into the estate. Here's all the payments that were made out of the estate. And here's what we intend to do with the balance of the estate pursuant to either the will or the laws of intestacy. So at that point, the court blesses it, and you're free to distribute those assets to the people that the decedent intended them to go to. So that's the process. It's not that difficult. Lots of people do it by themselves. Lots of people hire an attorney such as ourselves to assist them. We'd be happy to discuss this with you and any of the special nuances that might be pertinent to your situation. So give us a call at the number or send us an email at the email address listed at the end. Again, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I'd love to be able to assist you and your family.